Hi students! Welcome back sa Gramath! Ngayong araw, matututuhan natin kung paano makilala ang isang quadratic expression. Ready ka na ba? Tara, simulan na natin! Pero bago ang lahat, ano nga ba ang quadratic expression? So, ang quadratic expression ay isang algebraic expression na may form ng ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ito yon number 1. ax squared plus bx plus c. Ito yung form ng quadratic expression. Wala siyang equal to 0. Wala siyang equal to 0 kasi pag meron siyang equal to 0, hindi na siya quadratic expression. Magiging quadratic equation na siya. Alright? And next, number 2, highest exponent is 2. So, para maging quadratic expression, ang highest exponent should be 2. So, dito sa ax squared plus bx plus c, ang highest exponent ng x is 2. Ito yung highest exponent. Ito, 1. Okay? Next, number 3, a, b, and c are constants. So, ito daw yung a, b, and c are constants. Alright? And next, number 4, a should not equal to 0. So, itong a daw dito is hindi siya equal to 0. Kasi nga, pag equal to 0 yan, like for example, a times x squared with a is equal to 0, 0 times x squared, that will give us 0. At pag 0 yan, ito na lang yung matitira. At pag yan yung natira, hindi na siya quadratic expression. Linear na siya. Okay? Next, number 4. For number 5, one unknown. Isa lang daw yung unknown. So, in this case, ang unknown dito is only x. Okay? So, ang unknown dyan is only x. Alright? So, let's have an example. 3x squared plus 5x minus 1. Okay? So, i-check natin kung quadratic expression to. So, number 1, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? Dapat ganyan yung form. So, in this example, is nasa ax squared plus bx plus c form siya. So, it's correct. Okay? Number 2, highest exponent is 2. So, check natin yung x squared plus 5x. So, yung highest exponent here is 2. So, therefore, number 2 is also correct. Number 3, a, b plus c are constants. 3, 5, and negative 1. Correct din siya. And in number 4, a is not equal to 0. So, hindi siya 0 kasi meron siya dito 3. Hindi siya 0. And next, number 5, or number 4 is correct. And number 5, only one unknown. So, ang unknown lang dito is x. So, therefore, correct. So, therefore, ito ay isang quadratic expression. Okay? Let's have an example. State whether each of the following is quadratic expression in one unknown. A, 2x plus 1. Okay, check natin. Number 1, or letter A, is not. Hindi siya quadratic expression. Kasi, ang highest exponent is only 1. So, hindi siya quadratic expression. Next, we move on to letter B. 5y squared minus 2y plus 7. Okay. So, ano ba ang highest exponent? Highest exponent is 2. Only one unknown. A is 5. And in the form of ax squared minus 2x plus c. So therefore, B is a quadratic expression. How about letter C? Highest exponent is 2. Correct. One unknown, check natin, M at saka N. Hindi siyang one unknown. So, meron siyang two unknowns, which is M at saka N. So, therefore, hindi na yan quadratic expression. Okay? Next, letter D. What is the highest exponent? It's 2. Okay, check. One unknown, which is only P, check again. And in the form of ax squared plus c. So therefore, this is a quadratic expression. Wala siyang bx. Okay, wala siyang bx. Pero ito ay quadratic expression pa rin. Alright, in one unknown. Next, let's move on to letter E. So, ang highest exponent is 3. So, therefore, hindi na yan quadratic expression. Okay? Hindi na yan quadratic expression. Next, letter F. Q plus 1 over Q plus 2. Alright? So, ang highest exponent is 1 here. So, therefore, hindi ito quadratic expression. Ito is equal to Q negative 1. So, therefore, hindi rin ito quadratic expression. Alright? Ngayon, dadako tayo sa mini practice. Q squared plus 2Q minus 3 over Q. Ano sa tingin nyo? Quadratic equation ba yan o hindi? I-comment nyo ang iyong sagot sa comment section. Okay? So ngayon, marunong ka ng kumilala ng isang quadratic expression. Huwag kakalimutang mag-like, subscribe, at share para sa mas marami pang math lessons. Maraming salamat. Goodbye. See you on our next video.